Hello everybody. I'm thinking about starting a new series of videos. I'm calling it Developer Diaries, and I'm kind of thinking about telling about development work in Bible. And I was thinking that I want to do a little bit feature development work now that I have a little bit more consequent working time allocated for Bible. So I was doing a new nice feature, and I'm going to show you a little bit what I did here. This is not in production yet. I'm not sure when it will be. Maybe it will be soon, but it's also possible that it takes a little while before I will release it to the public. So let's get started. I have here an emulator, and I'm going to show you what I did. Let's have it like normal, like this. Then I will be like I implemented first of all I will show you the ticket. I implemented this feature. It's export and import single or multiple study pads. And here is my plan, what I was doing. The planning, I was planning the first how to export. There is the description how to export, and then import, and about file format, etc. This is what I was doing. Like I was spending some time first to plan, and then after that I started implementing. I will show you a little bit about the implementation later maybe, but first of all, export. If I open a StudyPad here, I have already here a test StudyPad. I will use it. So if you look at the window menu, you can see here export as StudyPad. It is added in addition to the export as HTML, but now you can also export as StudyPad, and then you save the file somewhere. It's called uusitesti.abdb, meaning the name of the label .abdb. Now it is saved, and then I will show you how to restore it. First of all, I will restore my database so that I don't have this test database there. Restore. Like now, as you see, we don't have this uusitesti new test StudyPad here. How to get it there? I implemented a feature to backup restore. I'm not sure if this will be the only place where to access this import, but like it is kind of natural place for this feature from code perspective. And restore is now restore or import. And restore database, when I choose the file from here, I have it here, uusitesti.adbd. It's again already 2 times. What do you want to restore? I want to restore bookmarks, not my notes, blah blah blah. Then it asks this question: database for bookmarks or labels or study pads can be either restored or imported. What do you want to do? Now it's possible to restore or import, meaning if I restore, it will be having only this one StudyPad and nothing else. And import is to import it, meaning that I will just add it to my collection of stuff. So now I have this StudyPad here. So this is how it works. I am still thinking about where to put this import feature, because like in user interface, because it's not very intuitive, and I would like to have it a little bit differently. Maybe it will, like, because this feature now added also option for merging databases, meaning if you have two devices that are completely different, you can merge them into one. Merge the databases, meaning the bookmarks, etc., from two devices to one, with this feature, which was necessary in order to implement this other feature, this export-import feature. So how did I implement it? I will tell you a little bit about this also, just for those who are curious. I hope that there are some developers also watching this. So I have already implemented the synchronize feature for Google Drive, so I was using a little bit similar approach for this. Because of this Google Drive synchronized feature, all entities have unique IDs, so I can I can just go ahead and use those IDs. I mean, it's just I'm doing a couple of queries where I'm inserting those entities into another database, meaning the main database is source and target is the export database, and I'm using this label ID as a reference. All those that are belonging to the label, meaning label is same as StudyPad, will go into this exported database. Here are the SQL commands, and then I'm doing it for list of labels, meaning export StudyPads is taking a list of labels that it will export into this file. And then import DB is even simpler. It will be just reading those files, and this structure, this dpdef, etc., table definitions, this is already existing because of this synchronize feature that I just told you about. So here I will just insert those entities from the exported database into the main database, and this can be done for all those databases that can be synchronized, meaning I have been implemented it for bookmarks, workspaces, and reading plans. All of those can be now imported. So this is how it looks like. I hope you like this video, and I want to just encourage everybody to support and Bible development financially, because of those, this feature is getting now implemented. This has been requested quite many times in different forms, in support emails, and also our user community group in Telegram, and now it will be implemented. I am estimating this implementation is taking, in this case, like about 1 to 2 full working days. So with 1 to 2 working days, you will get already this kind of significant feature if you want. Thank you for watching. As always, I will put a link in the description where you can support and Bible development financially. Thank you and bye bye.